to see you again. Today I would like to review two sentences, simple past and past progressive. But before doing the exercise, I would like to remind you two important formulas like this. The formula for simple past is the formula of simple past is subject plus verb. Verb over here must be conjugated in the past tense. The past tense. And past progressive or past continuous is past continuous is subject plus was to be in the past was or will plus we add in. Really pay attention to subject, to factor or subject and verb. Subject and verb. That's important. And on the close, after when the verb is conjugated in the simple past. After when is an A, before it is called time clause. Subject, verb, simple past. And on clauses after while subject, verb, past continuous. That's remember on those matter, on those formula. Now let's begin. Supply correct past tense. Past tenses of the verb in bracket. Correct past tenses over here only simple past and past continuous or past progressive. All these words we only conjugate in simple past or past continuous. Now let's begin. Number one, he jumped off the train while it moved. He jumped off the train. Jump off here, express in fast action. So the word here conjugate simple past. Simple past of jump is jump. It is a regular verb. So past of it is a jump up. He jumped off the train. while it moves. Close after while. We have to use past continuous. Past continuous because while we express in a period of time. Express a period of time. So over here we conjugate is what. Is what. Moving. Is what moving. Now, this set number 1 become he jumped off the train while it was moving. It was moving. Number 2, the boy fall down while he ran fast. The boy fall down. Fall down, it means an action, flash action. The boy here, the boy fall for the express and a flash action. So we conjugate in simple past. Simple past of fall is fail. Fail. The past of fall is fail. Fall, fell, fallen. Fall, fell, fallen. The boy fell down while the same here. The same here, over here we have to use the past continuous. While he was. He was running. Remember, run here. We have double N. It means running. Now, this sentence becomes, the boy fell down while he was running fast. Number 3, the light go out while we dance. The light go out. Go out over here. The go over here express a flash action. So you go out. Simple past. Past of go is when. When out. The light went out while we dancing expression and a long action, a period of time. So we use past continuous. We were dancing. Thus, we were dancing. This sentence becomes the light went out while we were dancing. Number four. She wear a blue shirt when I met her last night. After when we use simple past. After when, this is glow. This glow it is called time close. So glow after when the word is used in simple past. Simple past of it is met. I met her last night, the past time, show the past time. So over here, simple past. Over here, we have to use past progressive. Past progressive of verb is was. Is was wearing. Wearing. Was wearing. So this sentence become, she was wearing a blue shirt when I met her last night. When I met her last night. Number 5. When we arrived, he still sleep. When we arrive, he still sleep. Arrive here express an unexpected action. Unexpected action. So we have to use simple past. Simple past. Simple past of arrive is arrived. This is arrived. This is a regular verb. Regular verb. So arrive, arrive. He still sleep. Sleep express and still sleep. Express an long action. A period of action or a moment. So over here we use he was still sleeping. He was still sleeping. He still sleep. He was still sleeping. This sentence become, when we arrived, he was still sleeping. That's it. That's right. Number 6. Mary see a shark while she is swimming in the ocean. In the ocean. Mary see a shark. The word see over here is the word of senses. The word of sense or the word of sight. The word of sight. So we have to use simple past. Simple past of see is saw. So Mary saw a shark. Why? Why? After why? We use past continuous. Why she was swimming? She was swimming. Was swimming. Do we need double M? Do we need double M? Yes, we need double M. It means swimming. The ocean. The ocean. Now, number 6 become, Mary saw a shark while she was swimming in the ocean. The last sentence. Tom met a crocodile. Tom met a crocodile while he walked along the riverbank. Along the riverbank. Tom met a crocodile. Met over here we have to use simple past. Simple past of met is meet. Met is met. Meet is met. Met simple past. Tom met. The word met. Tom met a crocodile while he was walking. He was walking. He was walking along the riverbank. The riverbank. Now it becomes Tom met a crocodile while he was walking along riverbed. Now let's check again. He jumped off the train while it moved. He jumped off the train while it was moving. Right, that's right. The boy fell down. The boy fell down while he was running. Right. The light went out. Go out here a flash. It's expression of flash action. So you simple past. Simple past of go is when. The light went out while we were dancing. Right. She was wearing a blue shirt when I met her last night. That's right. When we arrived, he was still sleeping. That's right. Mary saw a shark while she was swimming in the ocean. Right. Tom met a crocodile while he was walking along the riverbed. All right. Okay, the lesson is finished. Now, maybe I have to say goodbye to you. See you next week. Goodbye.